Good morning, class. How are you? Hope you are good and safe. Today, we are going to start our new topic. What does a computer do? On page number 5, first paragraph. A computer is an important part of our life. It helps us to do many things. With the help of computer, we can do our homework, draw and paint, play games, write letters, essays and stories, watch movies and listen to music. We can also do sums. Important points. We can draw and paint on computer. Paint, a substance used as coating. We can watch cartoons and listen music. Watch, look attentively, listen. Hear with attention. We can do sums. Sums, the whole amount. We can write letters, essays and stories. Letter, the literacy culture. We can do our homework and play games. Work, a job. This is your first activity. On page number 5, on page number 7, think of 4 things that you can do but a computer cannot do. For example, I can eat but computer cannot eat. I can walk but computer cannot walk. I can drink but a computer cannot drink. I can move but a computer cannot move. This is your second activity. Answer these questions. Name any 5 machines that you can see at your home. Question number 2. Write 4 uses of computer. I will see you in my next lesson. Stay home. Thank you.